Hello and welcome to the Geek Club, and today we are doing shit. We have no idea what we're doing, so this is useless. Kill all enemy. We are playing... what are we playing? Cannon Fodder 2. So I've never played this, so I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just doing something. What am I doing? No friggin' idea. Ah. They appear to be... right. Okay. Yeah, I've never played this before, believe it or not, so... I really don't really know what I'm doing, and I'll move the camera across as well. There we go, that's better. You can see me now. I don't know if that's good. Now, where's my man? How'd you tell? Right. Right, okay. It looks like we have to wait and aim and kill little bastards as they come close. Yes! He's stuck there, isn't he? So, can we move? Oh, I can pull him down here. Right. Aim. So I need to come up here. I'm going to angle this. There we go! Yes! Celebrate! Yeah, a bit of a dodgy intro there because the game was already going up and starting to wake itself up, and the intro was a bit different to say the least on this video, so let's have another go in this. Lost in Service, Mission 1, I don't care. They were expendable. Where's... my Amiga is not. Anyway, come on, let's get this. Let's bring it on now. Bring it on. Yes. Okay, strangely, my love has got a gun. My love has got a gun. Yes. Okay. Mission 2. Kill all enemy. That's simple, and that'll do for me. Simple missions are my thing, because I'm a simple type of guy. Come on. Right. Yoo-hoo! It's still loading. Being an Amiga, it could be loading for a while yet. So I'll enjoy some beerification while waiting. At the rate this is going, I'm going to be ending up running out of beerification. Hey, ay, ay. Is it still loading? Lights are flashing, which is a good sign. There we go. Right. 24 recruits remaining. Now, where am I? I'm there. So I'm going to go there. They both died. Good. Didn't get him. You quickly get used to this. Quickly. Even for a retarded video gamer like me, who is useless. Right, come on. Oh, I can kill them just through the fence there. Okay. Yes! I'm good at something! My new favourite game now. Only problem is, we've now got another break while we wait for it to load up the next bit, which can take quite a while with this, as you know. Lights are flashing, but no one's home. Yeah. Okay, we're ready. And we got 4 recruits and... let's get him into danger. Right, so we've got to more strategy now. Right, okay. Oh, I'm mean at this game. Where are we going? Going this way? Seems not. Maybe we're going this way. Could be. Yes. Come on. Right. Looks like we... Oh, you just walked out on me. Oh, losing control of my hands. Maybe with too much beerification. Oh. Tried to sneak up my rear. Kinky buggers. Whoa. Yes. Come on, my little heroes. One left. Yes, I can see why this was popular in its day. And why it would still be popular amongst retro gamers now. You could do the modern version of this. Why won't you die? There you go. Did I get you? They just keep coming. Any more? I notice the birds aren't frightened by this, by all this gunfire. In reality, the birds would be buggering off. Right. So there we go. Right. Yes, that was a bit of fun. That was. Cannon Fodder. Thank you. I nearly forgot the name of the game I was playing then. A quick and gummy from over there. So there you go. That'll do for today. Cannon Fodder on the Commodore Amiga. Yes, I enjoyed that. If you've enjoyed the video and you aren't already, then please subscribe. More Commodore Amiga and other retro gaming videos to be found on the cards over there. And yes, SBN next time. And social media down below. So thank you very much.
You need to quit being dirty. You're a dirty boy.